This video is for helping users remove computer memory. As always, when working inside your computer, turn it off, make sure it's unplugged, and that you're properly grounded to protect your computer from electrostatic discharge. To remove computer memory from your computer, each of the tabs as shown in this picture must be moved to an outward position. When pushing the tab to the outward position, the memory should pop loose from the slot as seen in this video and allow you to effortlessly pull the memory stick away from the computer. Here I'm removing all 3 of the memory sticks from this computer. If you're having issues removing the memory from your computer or have any other computer related questions, feel free to visit computerhope.com.